up, guys? Trying to get a little work done tonight. Getting ready to clean this just a little bit. See if I can get it to piece that I just made. I'm about ready to clean that all up in there and then try to tack it in. So it looks like behind it it's got a big old hole there. So I figured that it's pretty good. And it's going to be behind an upholstery and stuff. I just don't want any holes where the exhaust can come through. I'm going to work on that, and then I'll probably work my way over to here. And then, again, I still got to keep working on these to get them right. But it's coming along. Baby steps. All right, guys. It's so weird filming a phone. It was just the most convenient thing rather than screwing around with a camera. Been working again. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Let me see if I can reverse this camera. There's not like a reverse button when it's recording. Welding in this top section. I'm getting a lot of soot. I think I may be out of argon again. I'm not really sure. The welds are weird and they're collapsing. I don't know if you can see that it's just not, it's not the same as it was. There's a lot of I don't know what you consider that, scaling or something on them, but I went ahead and tried to get it finished up. I mean, it's hard in there, and I hit it with a hammer and it ain't coming out. So, and it'll be behind the panel here. I just don't want exhaust coming in here, so I'm gonna think may have to do. Then the holes that were down here, I worked on, trying to fill them in. I'm fixing to grind those. Same with this right in here. There's a big hole. I built it up and around it. I'm gonna grind it down, see if that works. Same down here. Then I went ahead and had to re-weld this across the bottom here. It came loose. And I was gonna try to weld up this little cut here, but it keeps blowing out. So I've got to figure out how to tackle that. But next will be this piece right here. I'm gonna do some deep cleaning on that and then try to see if I can get a patch over it. All right, guys, I went ahead and did a little bit more grinding, a little bit more welding, and I went ahead and started picking up on where this went. I had ground through the welds to the point where, well, up to this right in here, it was okay. But this way back, I grinded all the way through the welds. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start working my way back around this. And I still have to address these few holes that are still here, but working my way through it. More baby steps. All right, guys, I always like to try to, if I can, clean everything up after I work on the bus, just because that you never know when you're gonna get to get back out here and do some more work. So it makes it easier when you start that everything's clean. All right. I wanted to show you guys something. There's a great YouTuber on here on YouTube building a bus named Dan, and he had a contest and I won it. And Dan, I just want to show you. I have the plaque that you sent me right here on the wall, and something that I'll always keep, and I totally appreciate it. And thanks for allowing me to be part of your contest. I thought that was pretty cool of you. And we're gonna get back to this soon. I got a whole lot more interior to get to in here. So we'll see what we can get done next time. Till later, guys. Y'all take care and go work on your bus.